How to fix Valorant black screen error. First, if you're having any kinds of error on Valorant, what you want to do is you want to simply close the Valorant app completely over here. After that, you want to simply close your Riot client application completely as well. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply restart your PC over here, tap on your start button, and you'd be able to find the power off option. Here, you want to simply restart your PC once, and once you have restarted your PC, you want to simply update your graphics driver as well, and you can also simply check for display resolutions. After that, you can simply go to NVIDIA application to check your display resolutions, select Valorant over here, tap on settings, and here you'd be able to find your graphics settings over here as well. You'd be able to slide this bar to enhance your performance or decrease as well. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply disable unnecessary overlays on your screen over here, and once you have done so, you want to simply launch your Valorant game again, and after that you shouldn't be facing any kinds of problem while playing the game. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.